WiNoT is really very easy to get started with. To show you how easy it is to create IoT solutions with WiNoT, I have created a few demo videos. These demos will illustrate how easy it is to control the sensors using Python. So let's get started. This demo application was built using Python and has a simple GUI. When you start your WiNoT Trainer, the LED which is fixed on the WiNoT's board is off. On the demo application, let me click on the button that reads Turn on LED. As soon as I do this, the LED on the WiNoT board turns on. In the same way, when I click on the Turn Off LED button, the LED turns off. Finally, on the first row of the UI, we have a button called Buzz for 5 seconds. I'll click on it. The buzzer beeped for 5 seconds. So, by the simple click of buttons, we were able to turn on and turn off the LED and start the buzzer. But what's happening behind the scenes when we click the buttons? How complex is the code? Let's see that too. What you see as the highlighted lines in the code is the actual part that does all the action. Do you see how simple it is? Just amazingly simple. To turn on the LED, you just need 2 lines of code. The first line is used to define the address of the WiNoT Trainer. The second line, which says LED.on, does the actual job of turning on the LED. The third line has got nothing to do with the sensors itself and is just used to display a message stating that the LED was turned on. Similarly, to turn off the LED, there are just 2 lines. The actual job being done by the LED.off command. To buzz for 5 seconds, we simply say buzzer.buzz bracket 5000, and here 5000 is the time in milliseconds for which we want the buzzer to beep. So you see how amazingly simple it is to operate the LED and the buzzer using WiNoT. We worked really hard to build a platform which does all the heavy lifting so that you can build IoT solutions without having to worry about the complexities. The code above has simple English-like commands like LED.on, LED.off and buzzer.buzz. We did this with the simple intention that it should be easy for anybody to understand how the sensors work. If it is easy to understand, it also makes it easy to learn.